Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. We upload new earwax removal videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 9 PM UK time, so please consider subscribing. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our earwax removal video today. We're taking a trip down memory lane today. These are the first two videos I ever uploaded to YouTube. We didn't do voiceovers back then, so a few people have asked if we can go back over some of the earlier videos and voice them over, so I thought I'd do two today. It does feel a little bit strange seeing this because obviously I haven't seen these in a couple of years. So we've got a very plugged up ear here. We've introduced a little bit of olive oil. We've got a really blocked up ear canal. So I'm using the standard size ulnar tube here because it's very, very plugged. What I'm trying to do is hold on to the wax there and wiggle it back and forth. This was the wiggle in its earliest form, so it's a bit it's a little bit rough around the edges, but you've got that little bit of wiggle there. We're trying to maneuver this out, basically just trying to pull the sides, and you can see we use the same basic techniques, which we're trying to pull all the sides in first of all, collapse it into the center and pull it forwards. You can see there's a little bit of white skin to the right hand side. You can just see it being exposed as I'm wiggling back and forth. I was wiggling my little socks off here to get this out. Okay, I've slowed this down just so you can see as it starts to pull forward. See, we've seen a little bit more of that white skin. It means it's moving forwards, it's coming out of the canal. So luckily this blockage was right at the entrance to the canal, so not too deep, but really fully formed to that canal wall. And there we are, you can just see it coming away, all that dead white skin underneath coming with it. Obviously these videos changed over the years from input from yourselves, so it'd be interesting for you to see how they changed as well. So there we are, there's the plug, come away really nicely. And we didn't used to do shots in the ear canal either, unfortunately, so you'll have to take my word for it. It was lovely and clear. This patient came through. This is the second patient in the compilation, by the way, sorry. This patient came through with a very blocked up ear canal. They actually had some cotton wool jammed in there. So what I can see is the darker material you can see at the bottom. Sometimes the cotton wool will age and it'll darken and harden up as well, so it becomes quite black. But you can see as soon as we start teasing this apart, the wiggle coming into play again there, that we can see the fibers starting to pull apart in this cotton wool bud. So we know we're dealing with a cotton wool bud here, and I'm trying to pull this apart. Though obviously this was still in the relatively early days of using the endoscopic microsuction for us. Normally what I would do now is go straight in with the crocodile forceps and pull this out, but we did actually manage to break a chunk away there. You can see that come away. So I would say there's probably two buds of cotton wool in here. For the people in the US, cotton wool is Q-tips. Okay, same thing. So what you can see now is as we get a grip on this back section, we start pulling this down. There we are. I'm really trying to get this deep a bit. It feels stranger looking back on it. I'd be in there now with a set of crocodile forceps, and this would be out in seconds. But obviously back then we used a little bit of suction to try and remove this. The difficulty with suction, which obviously we know now, is that when you try and suction cotton wool, it just draws the air through the cotton wool, so you don't always get a really good grip. We have managed to get a nice grip on that section of the cotton wool, even there. It's not really wanting to budge from the outer part of the ear canal. Now, we could either go in, I suppose, with a Jobson horn now, or we could go in with a pair of crocodile forceps. But I'm still trying to get this out using a little bit of suction. There we go. Actually got allocated forceps there. Their nose is a little bit wider. So we've got a grip on that outer section, and here we go. Look at the size of the canal actually based on those forceps. It might be a very narrow canal looking at it. There we are. So that's come away. There we go. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already or you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. As always, guys, until the next time, take care.